So, thank you, as there's a word here and that means thank you. So it says dalo. So it means thank you, so there's thank you card. And you have dalo, that means thank you. Ocha is a chair. Like if you were sitting on a chair, you were sitting on the ocha. Plate. You eat food from plate and it's called in Igbo afere. Afere is a plate you eat food from. Ingadi spoon, you used to eat a spoon with a spoon or a knife or fork. Spoon. So you eat with a spoon. So a person is umado in Igbo. Person is umada. Umado. Umado is a person. Nacha. Obara ncha. So it means a small soap. It means small soap. Obara ncha, that means small, like a small bit of soap. Obara ncha. Nuku ncha. So nuku means like a gigantic piece of soap. So nuku ncha. That means so like a huge piece of soap. Nuku ncha. Appa. Appa is like if you hold a bag, that's an appa. Appa is a bag. Appa is bag. Cup is iko. Iko is cup. You drink from cup. You can put anything in it. Cup. Kode. That's the last thing to do. Kode.